Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. You're gonna go to jail. Stop the vehicle. I do not care. Stop the vehicle. Shut the car off. Shut the car off and step out.
I don't want you to hurt my dogs. I'm trying to get my dog.
174. Let me get another unit normal, please.
Please let me get my dog.
Get out of the vehicle.
On the 30th of May 2024, a Santa Rosa County deputy initiated a lawful traffic stop for speeding 66 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, officers may order any driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle, no additional suspicion required. The subject's refusal to stop triggered Florida Statute, Section 316.1935, fleeing and eluding. No high-speed chase is required to meet this threshold. Concern for a pet is not a legal defense. Subjective intent does not negate a statutory violation under Florida law.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Stop the vehicle. Listen.
Really?
Ma'am, listen to me, please. Understand. Do you want to go to jail? Please stop the vehicle. Put the vehicle in park.
Can I explain something? Are you going to listen?
Get out of the vehicle. Ma'am.
Let me get my mask.
That's fine. Get out of the vehicle, please.
I'm going to, right?
Ma'am, right now.
I just said
right now. Get out of the vehicle. Ma'am, get out of the vehicle.
Medically.
Ma'am, get out of the vehicle.
No, sir, you will not do that.
Ma'am, get out of the vehicle.
No, sir.
Or you're going to go to jail.
I am telling you.
Then get out of the vehicle, please. This is your last warning. Please get out of the vehicle or you're going to go to jail. Thank you.
Go anyways, right?
Put the dog down. Put the dog.
I have to get out
Put
first.
the dog down.
How the do I put her down if I ain't got nowhere to put her?
Get out of the vehicle then.
Exactly. The is you talking about? You don't even know what you're talking about. Shut up.
All right.
You want to be mad for something?
Step over here for me.
No, I'm going to step right here.
Step over
That's
here.
my house.
Step over here.
Why do I have to go that way?
Because I asked you to. And I'm
But
telling
I'm
you to.
asking you why.
Because I want you to step over here. Step away from your vehicle.
You did this for no reason.
You're going 66 in the 35. That's the reason.
There's no such thing as a 35 after you pass that. After you pass that sign, I know my rights.
Okay, ma'am.
And I also
Step
have
over
a
here.
camera in my car.
That's fine. Step over here.
Yeah, I know. So I'm not.
Step over here.
Well,
Step over away from your vehicle, please.
Step away from my vehicle.
Step away, ma'am.
Ma'am. I'm not going to your vehicle. Okay,
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back right now.
Why are you doing this?
Turn around.
Why are you doing this?
Relax. You don't want to listen to me. Stop. Relax.
You're not.
Relax.
Can you please
Relax. Relax. I don't care. Relax.
Relax.
Relax. Stop tensing up.
Sir,
relax.
You're making my anxiety high.
Relax. You're gonna go to jail if you don't relax.
I can't relax.
Relax.
If I have anxiety.
Relax. Relax.
I don't think you actually know what you're saying. And y'all really need more training. I'm gonna inhaler out my garage, please. I didn't think the fight to just can you get my inhaler out my garage, please? Because that's why I was trying to make it in my house for my
It's not how that works.
medical.
You do not pick when you get to stop.
No, I do. Because you're
you
pulling
don't.
me over for no. Why the f are you doing all this? My camera is on in my car, by the way.
That's fine. I have a camera on right now.
But my camera caught my speed.
Stop.
No, but you're mishandling me right now, sir. You're really mishandling me right now.
The strong odor of burnt marijuana from an open convertible established independent probable cause to search under Florida v. Harris, 2013. A medical marijuana card does not authorize smoking in a vehicle. Florida Statute Section 381.986 prohibits it on any public road card or not.
And I don't like it. I don't like how you're handling me right now.
Listen to me very carefully. I do not care what you think.
Okay, and that's fine. But your car is very hot, sir.
That's fine.
I cannot stand right there.
You're going to come in the back.
Okay, but you don't have to handle me like this. You were really mishandling me.
Do you know what resisting is?
No, I do.
Okay.
I do.
Okay.
And
you are not complying at all. You have not complied from the very beginning. Okay? Do you know failure to stop is a felony? Do you know what failure to stop is? It's a felony.
Okay.
Are you trying to catch a felony?
Okay. Are you going to listen or are you going to let me talk?
I'm not going to listen because this is not a conversation. I am telling you something.
Why are you going to ask me a question if you don't want to hear the answer?
How much marijuana is in the vehicle?
No, she was not going to do that. I have a card.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me go.
You're going to jail. Get in.
Okay. So you know you're going to go with the rest of these cops that's going down, right? For harassing me for being black.
I'm not harassing you.
You are. Because like, what else would you have me right here for? You're not going in my car. You do not have the right to go in my car. I am telling you that right. Ah!
Relax. Stop tensing. You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail for what, though? What am I going to jail for? Why am I being arrested? You have to tell me before you put me in a car. Sir, why am I being arrested?
I'll give it 14 in a second.
I would like to know why I'm being arrested. So you're going to arrest me for no reason?
Stop.
No, I want to know why I'm being arrested. First of all, you going to slam it.
Jesus Christ.
My dog's in the house?
Yes, I'll work with you. You haven't listened at all.
It's really bothering me. I don't even know why I'm here. I don't even know why I'm in the bed. You can't talk to me back here because I said I have anxiety. This does not help me.
No, it doesn't help. You not complying with my orders.
I'm claustrophobic.
Okay. Relax.
Please let me out the bag.
Listen, don't do anything. Take some deep breaths. Take some deep breaths for me.
Please let me out, please.
Yeah, right now, I can't even talk to you, so how can I let you out? Okay?
I'm trying, but I don't even understand why do not go in my house. Do not go in my house.
He's not going in your house.
Do not go in my house. Nobody's there. There is nobody there.
Okay.
My husband is at work, and it's just me and my husband that live here. And I don't know why I'm being harassed right now.
You're not being harassed. Nobody's
You are harassing me because you put me back here. When I told you...
Hey, I have nothing to do. Hey, stop. I have nothing to do with any of this. Hold on, let me talk.
I don't know what's going on.
Is there anyone here who can get your dogs? Because you are not going to be the one that secures your dogs.
There's nobody here.
Okay. Is there anybody that I can call?
No Miranda warning is required before arrest. It applies only at custodial interrogation. However, post-arrest questions without Miranda risk suppression. Force-used handcuffing and soft, empty hand control falls within the lowest tier of the use of force continuum. Graham versus Connor, 1,989, is satisfied.
No, because it's just me and my husband. I don't even know what y'all... My husband works at the military base, so I don't even know why y'all are bothering me right now. I am so confused, and I'm scared.
Look at how you're acting. This is not how a normal person
I have
acts.
anxiety, sir.
I understand. That's why I'm telling you. Take some deep breaths.
I'm trying, but it's hard back here.
So right now...
It's really hard.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I'm so trying. I just took my medicine.
He asked you to step out of the car. You didn't want to step out of the car. Okay?
What I said was I was trying to put my dogs out because I didn't want my dogs to be hurt.
Okay. Nobody wants to hurt your dogs.
But that's what I was telling him. Ask him. I said, I'm trying to put my dogs up. That's why I opened my garage. I was trying to put my dogs up. And he was like, and he acted like I was going to run. I was like, I'm not going to run.
He doesn't know you from Adam. He doesn't know if you're going to run, okay?
I get that.
So just understand, he doesn't know you. You don't know him.
I get that.
Nobody's trying to be malicious.
I was trying to make sure that my dogs didn't get hurt in the process.
Nobody wants to hurt a dog. Nobody comes to work and wants to hurt a dog.
So that's why I was just trying to put them up because I love my babies.
I'm seeing what you're saying.
And Missy, she can't see, she can't hear, she's scared.
Okay. So,
she can't see
which dog is the one you're talking about?
It's the smallest one.
The smallest one?
Yeah,
okay.
She can't see her here.
Okay.
So she gets scared.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do, sir. And that's what I told him that too. And he said sure and laughed about it, and I don't even understand. He said, oh, okay, and laughed. And
listen to me. Listen to me.
I don't even understand.
We're gonna try and get a little bit calmer each time, okay? We're gonna get calmer. We're gonna take some deep breaths. This is right now.
Okay,
the calmer you are, the better it's gonna be.
I cannot do this right now. It's too many lights. Please turn your lights off. Can y'all turn your lights off, please? They really don't help me.
Okay.
The lights don't help. Please turn your lights off.
Husband gets here and then search the car since he smelled the weed?
45 minutes.
Okay.
If you want to wait.
Sure, one of us will. But there was also a pistol under the driver's seat. Because I just read the arrest report.
Yeah. 10-4. Hey, Tanya, do you have any guns in the car? Huh? All right. You know you're prohibited from having a firearm?
No.
Okay.
Why?
Because you have a medical marijuana card?
No, I didn't know that.
All right.
I didn't know that was a thing.
174. Okay. So you were denied a CCW, right? That means that you cannot have a concealed firearm, all right, in your possession. You're
even
prohibited.
in the state of Florida, even though it's a open carry state?
Yes, ma'am, because you the only time that constitutional carry applies is if you are legally able to have a concealed weapons permit, which you are not able to have. Well, I don't know how.
No, I know. You don't have.
It's the law.
Under 18 U.S.C. Section 922 G3, marijuana users, including MMJ cardholders, are federally prohibited from possessing firearms. Marijuana remains. Schedule 1. Florida's constitutional carry law, HB 543, 2023, applies only to those legally eligible for a CWL. A denied applicant is still prohibited. Wilson v. Lynch, 9th Sir, 2016, upheld this prohibition specifically as applied to medical marijuana cardholders. It is settled federal law. Prescription pills found without the subject's name on the label support a felony charge under Florida statute, Section 893, 136A.
It's your job to make me understand
It's
that.
the law. That's what the law is, okay?
Yes, sir. Can I please blow my nose? I have snot going into my mouth. It was disgusting.
Ma'am, I don't have anything to blow your
I
nose
told
in.
him I have napkins in my car. Please,
car
they're
we
in the
can't
door.
go in?
All right.
They're in my door. Look, you want to see my snot? It's so nasty.
That's EMS. All right, here's the other thing, okay? Listen, all right, we're going to address...
Oh, can I turn back and look at the car again? Because my blood's sweating again. My anxiety is really bad.
All right, Tanya, listen.
Yes, sir.
All right, I want you to understand something, okay?
Please, if you don't mind.
I understand that you have a medical marijuana card, okay? In the state of Florida, all right, you cannot smoke in your vehicle, even if you.
wasn't smoking.
So that smell that is emitting very strongly from your vehicle with the windows down in a convertible, all right, it's a very strong smell.
Okay.
All right, it's burnt marijuana. Okay.
It is the smell.
I am not crazy.
No,
I've been doing this job a long
I didn't say
time.
it was not the smell of burnt marijuana, sir.
Okay, and you are not legally allowed to smoke marijuana in your vehicle, even if you have a concealed or a medical marijuana card.
I was not, but okay.
Okay, that's one of your stipulations, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm not
All right.
trying to do that to you. I'm sorry. I keep getting sick to my stomach because I keep swallowing snot. I'm sorry. It's so gross.
We can take the mask off.
Even if I took the mask off, the snot wouldn't go away, sir. Where's the snot gonna go if I take the mask?
You can blow your mask. Yes.
Blow your nose.
Can I get another mask out the car then?
They're gonna take that mask is coming off, okay?
No, I'm not.
When we get to the jail, that mask is coming off. It is.
They don't.
Then that's
because
something that
I've
you're gonna
been
have.
arrested before, and I
Okay.
had my mask because I can't.
All right. Listen.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get the ticket for your speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're gonna get arrested for obstruction, resisting without violence. Okay.
Can I get out on my RR without going to the jail?
No, you got to go to the jail.
Can I call my lawyer then?
You can call your lawyer when you get to
Well,
jail.
I don't know his number. It's in my car.
It's in your phone.
No. It's in my car.
Then
No,
you're
his
gonna
card
have.
is in my car.
You're the only thing going to jail with you is your phone. And do you have a wallet or purse in the car?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any marijuana in that purse?
I can't think of any. I know there's a lighter in there, though.
Okay. I don't care about a lighter. All right.
Okay.
All right. Have a seat back in the car, please. Okay. Good to go. I'm gonna charge you with a felony of possession of a prescription without. Okay.
There's a bunch of different pills.
There's a whole bunch of pills in my car.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of them. They all mine.
Well, not that one. That didn't have your name on it. So.
It's okay. It's my daughter. It's okay.
Well, you don't want to answer questions, so I don't know that.
That's fine. You don't have to.
Okay.
Yep, you can put it all on there. I'm gonna ride with all of it for right now. I'm feeling better now. I got my snot out my nose. I've apologized and I've accepted what I've done wrong, and so there's nothing left for me to do.
All right. Are you under the influence of
I
anything?
just said no, sir. I just said I am just accepting. It's called.
Well, I get that to a point, but
It's called levels of stuff. No, sir. My medicine just kicked in. I just took my medicine before I left the house. And it just kicked in, so it's okay. I'm doing better now. I'm in a lot of pain, and I really just want to be done with this. So as quick as we can be done with this.
I promise you I'm trying to, because my other option, the quickest way would have been towing your car and getting rid of your dogs, or getting them to animal control. I'm trying to work with you too.
I am too, sir. I am really just trying to. You guys wanted me calm, and I'm here. I'm calm.
Okay.
I'm in a lot of pain, and my pain is actually overcoming everything right now. Okay.
Okay. All right, man. Do you need EMS or anything?
I don't know. 'Cause I just started back walking, sir. I couldn't even walk as of yesterday.
But you're driving?
I know. I only drove because my battery was dead, and so the dude from AAA told me my car had to run for an hour. And so I was like, well, if it's got to run for an hour, I got to go get gas because I can't let my car run out of here.
I don't know what that has to do with anything.
I wasn't supposed to leave my house. You're saying, why did I leave if I could barely walk? But all I did was go to get gas because I was like, well, if I gotta go get gas, I might as well take my dogs out.
All right.
And that's what I did. I took my dogs out because I was getting gas because I had to let my car run.
Okay.
And I don't even know if it was going to start back. And that was the other thing I was going to tell you. That's why I wanted to pull in my yard because my battery.
But that is not how that works.
I know, but you
Okay.
didn't let me explain to you.
I don't need you. I asked you to step out of the vehicle, Tanya.
And you told me to turn the car off, and I said I couldn't turn my car
Because
off.
I don't know what you look like you're trying to still evade me and pull in the garage
sir, I
while I'm
was
trying to
not.
pull you
I was-
over. I don't know that. I don't know that. I don't know you.
I know. I know.
All I know is I'm lighting
do
you
know
up
that.
and you're
I
not
do know
stopping your
that, and I
vehicle
do-
and then
I-
you're backing up and
I
I'm telling you to
understand.
stop.
I understand that completely.
Okay. All right.
But
I'm going to put
I
your
know-
medical marijuana card in your purse, okay?
Are you? Can you put my glasses case in my purse?
I have them. Okay. Listen, Tanya, trying to work with you, all right? Do you want to answer a question for me?
Is he gonna get me out the back of the car?
Huh?
Is he gonna get me out the back of the car?
You want to back up
No.
the car and then shut the garage door?
Do you want to or no?
Is he gonna get me out the back of the car?
Well, it's going to help with charges wise. You said no? Okay.
No Miranda warning is required before arrest. It applies only at custodial interrogation. However, post-arrest questions without Miranda risk suppression. Force-used handcuffing and soft, empty hand control falls within the lowest tier of the use of force continuum. Graham versus Connor, 1,989, is satisfied. Final charges: fleeing and eluding, resisting without violence, firearm possession, controlled substance possession. Maximum exposure: 6 years, $6,000 plus federal. Officer grade B+. Stop was legally sound. Force was proportionate. Firearm prohibition advisement was accurate. Early tone escalation was a missed de-escalation opportunity. Subject grade C. Non-compliance converted a civil speeding citation into felony exposure. Denying the firearm compounded legal risk significantly. Department grade B. Strong legal knowledge demonstrated on scene. Senior officer's de-escalation approach was textbook. Initial officer training gap identified. Lesson 1. Stop the vehicle. Failure to comply with lights and siren is a standalone felony in Florida regardless of your reason for hesitating. Lesson 2. An MMJ card voids your right to possess a firearm under federal law. State carry rights do not override 18 U.S.C. Section 922 G3. Lesson 3. Comply first, challenge later. Roadside argument creates probable cause. The courtroom, not the street, is where rights are vindicated. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.